Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is k plus 4 is equals to k, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So we solve this problem for two methods here. The first method be the graphical method. So we first solve this problem for a graphical way, and the second method be the mathematical method. So we solve this problem for mathematical way in the second method. Okay, first we draw the graph of this equation, and we see that this equation has two sides, left and right. So we draw this graph into the xy plane. So you see that this is the our xy plane, and here this is the positive x-axis, this is a positive y-axis, this is negative x-axis, and this is negative y-axis. So here we suppose that here this is some point 4, and here we have some negative point 4. Similarly, here when we make the graph of left hand side, and that is k plus 4, so the graph of k plus 4 be the line joining these 2 points. Okay, so this is the straight line, and this straight line be the graph of k plus 4. And now here in the same pattern we draw the graph of the right hand side, and in the right hand side we have term k. The graph of k be the again straight line which passing through this origin. So the graph of the line k is in this way. It's look like in this way. Okay, so this is the graph of right hand side, and that is equals to k. So further you see here both of the lines are parallel, and these two lines does not intersect each other. And you know about that the solution of any linear equations exists only when both of these two lines are intersect each other, but these two lines does not intersect each other. This means that this question has no solution. So this is the final answer which we get here from graphical method, and now here we again solve this problem for mathematical way. So this is the our method number 2, and in the second method we copy down given question statement. Here it is k plus 4 equals to k. So this is the given question statement, and here we need to find the values of k, and for this we take a squaring on both of the sides, and this will be written as k plus 4 whole square is equals to k square. And now we use here the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side. So this will be written as, here we use this formula, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this rule, we expand the left hand side of the above equation as k square plus 2 times of k into 4 plus 4 square is equals to k square. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as in this form. We have this is k square plus 2 times of 4 becomes 8k, and this 4 square becomes 16, this k square becomes negative k square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step you see that this is the negative k square, this is positive k square are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 8k plus 16 is equals to 0. And now for both of these two terms we have 8 be the common value. So when you take common 8, we get the remaining values are k plus 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide both of the sides by 2 in order to get the values of k. So we divide both of the sides by 8. So we write it as in this way. So this 8 and this 8 are gone, and we get here k plus 2 is equals to, this is 0 divided by 8 is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and this will be written as, so we move plus 2 to the right hand side, and we get the value of k is equals to minus 2. So here we get just only one value of k, and that is equals to minus 2. But now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is k plus 4 is equals to k, and here we put the value of k on both of the sides, and this will becomes minus 2 plus 4 is equals to minus 2, and this shows that minus 2 plus 4 becomes plus 2 is equals to minus 2. So here you see that the left hand side is positive and the right hand side is negative, and this is not a possible case. It is not possible that a positive 2 is equals to negative 2, because these two values are not equal in general. So here further you see that the value of k is equals to minus 2 does not satisfy our given question statement, and here we cannot get any other value of k which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that k is equals to minus 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation, because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.